Hello, my dear friends. It's such a pleasure and honor to speak to the first year students of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, a premier institute of the country, in fact, known all over the world. So, at the outset, please accept my compliments. You guys are amazing. The amount of hard work and the endless hours that you spent preparing for this written examination. So, my compliments to you to making it this far, to your parents, to your teachers, to your school, and the houses you come from. So proud of you all. Now, I've just retired as a general from the Indian Army, and I don't believe in summarizing young generation because I actually admire your generation. You guys are so much full of passion, and I call your generation the win-win generation because you've seen a different kind of India. You all were born in the 1990s. That is when the country had opened up, the economy had opened up, and you're actually lucky in many ways that you saw a new India. You didn't see an India in which we were born, which was full of insecurities and poor communications, and we didn't know what the future will hold for the country and for all of us. So be that it may, you're lucky, and so you must utilize this bit of luck to be born at the right time. And the right time and right place in India. Now, I just want to share a couple of things with you. First of all, reaching is okay. You've reached a great institution, but now remain focused. Life is not a 100 meters dash or a 200 meters dash. It's a marathon. And in my own life, I've seen this coming true. Many people, many students who were weak or who could not cope up initially have now gone beyond their compatriots and their batchmates. So life is a big marathon, but start preparing for it. And it starts today. So have short-term goals which lead to a long-term goal. And the long-term goal should always be to achieve something really substantial in public sphere. Money will come. And somehow you can't relate your success in life with the money you make. So that will come on its own when it has to come. But have some mission and ambition for yourself long-term. But to reach that long-term mission, please have short-term goals which are related to you for 6 months, 1 year. That is as far as your success is concerned. But the other thing I would like to tell you is my idea of India. I believe that this country is a great country, a nation of saints and soldiers and from all communities and religions. This is one place people from all over the world have become Indians here. So please don't follow a narrow vision of India which may be propagated. Have a bigger vision. Don't look at your friends, your colleagues, your community from the narrow prison of religion, caste and community. If India has to survive, and India has to go forward, it requires everyone to hold hands. So I will request you all, whatever baggage you may carry from your homes and your communities, now you are in an institute of pride for the country. So please do not carry any baggage, any ill will, any prejudices. Because our social fabric is the most important. A country can only become great if the social fabric is strong, if all people belong to this country. So I everywhere speak and tell people, young generation especially, and I like this about your young generation. This is a great USP you have. You don't follow the preachings and negative propaganda which is part of our discourse these days. So I request you to stay away from this, remain focused, and you will beat success and you will take the country proud. I am for one very proud of you all. My compliments to you all. Do well and do good for the nation. Jai Hind.